To cast the Windows laptop screen, the first thing you need to do is to install Google Chrome. Most of the smart TVs support Android and Chromecast, whereas Windows do not have support for the Chromecast. However, Google has enabled its Chrome browser to support casting from the laptop to the TV screen. Before going any further, please make sure that your laptop and TV are connected on the same Wi-Fi network. There are three ways of casting your laptop's content to the TV, and today we will look into all the three methods. So without any delay, let's open the Google Chrome browser. Once you will open the Google Chrome browser, you will see three dots at the top right corner of the Chrome browser. Click on that, a context menu will open. Click on the cast option. Once you will click on the option, a pop-up will open. It will show your TV's name. Here it is bedroom TV and source. Our source is the current Google tab, so it is cast tab. So here we will try to cast the tab, then we will click on the bedroom TV and it will start the casting. For the demo, I have browsed IMDb top movies on my laptop, which is also visible on my TV. I will also click on the link to visit the website. We have just learned how to cast a Chrome tab on an Android TV. But now we will see how to cast the desktop screen on the TV. In the second method, we will repeat the first few steps. We will click on the three dots, then we will click on the cast, and once the pop-up will open, then from the source drop down we will select cast desktop. Then we will click on our Android TV, then it will ask for the share screen. We will click on entire screen and then we will click on share, and it will start to share our desktop to the TV. Now I am casting my desktop screen on the TV and we are able to see the context menu and other shortcut icons. Also, let's try to open the Inkspace application. In the previous step, we have learned about desktop screen casting. However, using Google Chrome, you can also cast images and media files like MP4. Like the previous step, here also I will repeat on the three dots, then I will select the cast option. And from the pop-up, from the source, I will select the cast file. It will ask me to choose a file, and there I will choose a media file, which is MP4 file, and then I will click on the open. Once it is selected, I will click on the Android TV and it will start the casting. As you can see, now the video is running on both the laptop and the TV. You can use this step to watch downloaded movies from your laptop. In this step, we will learn how to stop the casting. To stop the casting, click the blue colored cast icon. It will open the same pop-up. Now hover your mouse over your TV name, it will show stop casting. So just click on it and your casting will stop. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.